In today's video, I wanted to share a couple of changes with you that will truly transform the look of your family room. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Tresha. I am your interior design strategist. I'm here to give you design strategy to create a beautiful space that feels just like you. The family room is such a great place to spend time with family and friends, to kind of like entertain or watch TV, or if you just want to read and be by yourself. This is kind of like the heartbeat of the home outside of the kitchen, and we spend a lot of time here. If you're watching this video, I know that you really love to have a beautiful space that you can come to every day. So I wanted to share a couple of changes that will truly transform the look of your space. This is not kind of like small changes. This will drastically improve it. And if you were to sell your home over time, this will give you more value. This is something that is desirable by other people and something you could actually implement yourself, or if you don't feel comfortable, you could hire a contractor to implement. So if you have any other challenges that you're facing in the family room, just drop it in the comment section below. I read all the comments and I would love to discuss whatever challenges that you have. So feel free, be open. This is a safe space. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into the first change. Okay, so for the first tip, this is specific for homes that are older, that might have a brick fireplace. A lot of times we kind of decorate around the fireplace and we don't really want to touch it. I know I've talked to several clients over time and they are not wanting to touch the fireplace. Instead of decorating around it and kind of letting the fireplace dictate what you have in your room, meaning your family room, how about painting your fireplace a color that is aesthetically pleasing and will conform to the color scheme in the space? That way you can decorate and have more furniture pieces that you like. You don't feel like you're restricted. You can elevate the look of your space by painting your fireplace. And if you are somebody who is truly kind of nervous about doing it, you want a little bit of change, but you don't want to drastically paint all of the brick, you could whitewash the brick. But if you are willing to take that next step and just go ahead and make that complete change, just paint it a different color. There are so many beautiful colors that you could choose from. You can treat your fireplace as an accent wall and choose a color that will complement the colors that are in your space. And that is a project that you could do one weekend. There are so many tutorials out there. I actually did it myself, so I know that it is possible. If it's an active fireplace, there are certain paints that you will need to utilize, so make sure you check for that. There are certain steps that you need to take because it's a fireplace, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into the second change. If you want to add more architecture interest into your space, if you love symmetry, if you have a lot of books, you have a lot of decor, you have a long wall, I would consider putting in built-in. This is a great way to add additional storage. It looks so stylish. It looks amazing. It fills up the space. It completely transforms the room. There are so many colors you can choose from. You could add wallpaper to the back of it. It is a great way to add interest to the space, a great way to display the decor that you might have. If you have items from, traveling, different places, you could display it there. You could truly kind of like share your personality, as well as have a place where you can store away items you do not want out. This is another great change you could make. It is an investment, but you will get that investment back if you do sell your property. A lot of people love built-ins, and this is highly requested in a lot of spaces, specifically in a family room or home office. If you are on the fence about whether this is a good move to make, I truly would consider it. It is a game changer. Okay, so let's say you don't want to do built-ins. Another option you could consider is adding molding to your walls. This will also add a lot of interest to the space. It is highly desirable by people. This is something that is not as hard as you think to add to your walls. You could do this in one weekend. It just takes a little math, to diagram it out. to get the design that you're going for, and then you can just implement it. There are so many trims you can consider, so many styles. This is something that will absolutely transform the look of the space. And you don't have to add molding on all 4 walls. You could create an accent wall with the molding and create different designs with it. I know you have probably seen it online. This is something that looks absolutely amazing. This is a great way to be unique with your design and truly enhance the look of your space. You could do picture molding, board and batten, paneling, shiplap. There are so many choices to consider. There's a lot out there that looks absolutely amazing. You could put molding as an accent wall, or you can do all 4 walls, or you could do something as simple as framing your TV with a picture molding. It's kind of like subtle, but it gives a lot of interest to the wall. Now, if you are somebody who is, just starting out and don't really know about how to decorate your family room, I highly recommend watching this video. It is going to give you a couple of things that you could do first that will truly save you money, time, and heartache and get you moving forward in the right direction. So watch this video.